suspension for the smoker. It's about time. I haven't had suspension. I don't think I've ever had suspension. But I'm gonna be taking this thing out today. Hopefully we're not riding too long. I think we're only riding in the afternoon. We're gonna be building jumps with Jared today at that spot we have the ramp at. So we have permission to build. It's Ryan's spot. But he's gonna bring his skid steer out. And yeah, we're just gonna build as many dirt jumps as possible and then probably clean up the freestyle landing. And then I get the suspension for this tomorrow. So if anybody's wants to buy a 450, it is for sale. It is for sale. Jared has arrived. Woo! Look at this setup. Water tank. Got the fresh well. Ryan's got the setup here. But we're just gonna mostly build today. He's pumped. Some fresh mats. Woo! Another double end. Got the water all filled up. So instead of the single, we want the triple. That right side, center, and left hit. That left hit's gonna be third, fourth on it to get up there. That'll be sick. Then that one, the double in, and smack this one. It'll be sick. Yeah. Man, we got water out here. You can build anything. Gonna get this one first. It's gonna go way up there. Hell yeah. Got Eric on film. Water. Nice. Woo. Getting that one. Then Jared comes over here. Not even an hour. Went 6 foot. I don't even know how deep that's it. That's deep. And a step off.
It's for mountain bikes.
Dude. What an animal. Oh, this is gonna be sick. Haven't even been out here for 2 hours yet. Got the step on, step off. Dude. Then the one after that. Dude, this is sick. It's not even 1 o'clock yet.
Nah. Don't slow down.
Yeah. This place is gonna look like your backyard in a couple more hours. Shit. We are dialed now. 3 lifts are pretty much done. What's he got? Oh, he's got something. What do you got?
Fuck that Steve! Not enough!
Yeah, don't go any farther. 5 more feet, you would have dropped off a cliff. Oh my god. It's too steep.
I wonder where that property finishes.
What do you think, Vince? How's work?
This is fucking good shit, dude. fucking blown away, I tell you that much.
Yeah. That dude's
Holy
gnarly on a skitty.
Sick as fuck.
The one after is fucking huge. It's big.
Dude, that's fucking, honestly.
Perfect trick jump.
This one is.
Perfect. Nah. This one's perfect trick jump.
No, this one, the other one's scary.
Yeah.
Alright, right there.
Yeah. Oh, it actually hit it. Like the stings were like initially it just stings, huh?
They're fucking badass though.